Social Sciences Education subject. Topic: Revisiting workplace happiness among university teachers in pandemic challenging times. The biggest certainty of life is the uncertainty. Pandemic, in its essence, since the start of 2020, has become perhaps the biggest disruptor in education. It has totally redefined workplace and workplace happiness for university teachers, with work from home becoming the new normal and teaching going online. It is equally a case of digital progress preponed and happiness postponed. Now, we need to understand, to explore the renewed curriculum as to now what exactly constitutes happiness for university teachers and how these have become the new game changers. Seen in the context of pre pandemic, when teaching was absolutely campus based, happiness at workplace were more evaluated in terms of extrinsic variables like conducive workplace conditions, facilities available, teaching tools, working hours, interpersonal communication, role of leadership, job security, job autonomy, and even perhaps the intrinsic contribution of, let's say, passion and joy of teaching, pride for the institution, mental and physical health, and also to a great extent, attaching value to the contribution being made towards the institution and on the macro level, the society. But if you will look across to the post pandemic scenario, both extrinsic and intrinsic variables have gone through drastic change, impacting happiness, with education institutions or universities being closed for the moment. Academic calendars to most of these institutions have been completely disrupted, especially because of this prevailing uncertainty position. And this challenging situation, in fact, nobody predicted or nobody anticipated. But on the other side, this new normal of work from home and online teaching can be perhaps also a new agenda to revisit workplace happiness among university teachers in this especially pandemic challenging times. Because what happens is any change, whenever it comes, it brings along with it new threats, but also simultaneously new opportunities. So, in this situation, yes, physical distancing has been visible, but then there is equally a huge scope of virtual and emotional connect. Because what we are seeing is a correction of its kind, which is happening globally in all the industries, and education is no exception. Perhaps what is required at this stage is that coping mechanism to adapt to the new situation and still excel and still be happy with the work plan. University teachers, if you critically evaluate, they are a very important component of higher education. And teachers being the thought leaders, definitely they have to shoulder the responsibility to show the way and fortitude, or you can say courage, to handle this adversity. Very few people look to change with dignity and positiveness. I still remember one incident from my life many years back. I was traveling in this local bus in Delhi, and at that point of time, there used to be small denomination of tickets ranging from 2 rupees to 5 to 10 rupees. And as usual, these buses used to be very crowded, and mostly the passengers who boarded the bus used to carry those high denomination currencies of maybe 50 rupees or 100 rupees and so forth. So same was happening in this bus. So the conductor becomes very agitated and he says, in this bus, whosoever passenger comes, everyone wants change. But unfortunately, no one brings change. Look over to the great statement what this bus conductor says. Even in our life also, there are very few people who take the change head on. So change can be looking at with a different perspective, can be a renewed source of energy and happiness. It all depends upon your outlook. Many university teachers, while developing the online lessons or conducting examinations or even online mentoring, have left considerable digital imprints. And believe me, the power of these digital imprints is absolutely huge, and so is the massive reach. And in the process, both universities and the teachers are gaining immense popularity. So I would say good university leadership now understands in this new normal that today geography has become history and virtual campuses is the new reality. It's now that these virtual campuses are its intellectual wealth of knowledge and delivery. So, to attract the best to best students across the border, they have to definitely foster this intellectual capital, or I would say the psychological capital of it, esteemed teachers. Thus, to ensure that teachers are highly motivated and happy, university teachers, or for that matter, leadership, is going all out to provide teachers with latest digital resources, trainings, incentives, showing collective maturity, delegation of authority, job autonomy, even to make newer lesson plans, and even a new student centric pedagogy in teaching. University teachers today are quite happy in the midst of these pandemic challenging times. Because indirectly or even directly, it has become a capacity building opportunity. And this has really enhanced their mental and physical makeup and helped them to stay relevant and thrive, which is very significant. And all digital reach, and also the digital reach, has made higher education for the first time most inclusive, and the best part is absolutely accessible. Thank you.